Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Saimati. Today I'm going to tell you about the cybersecurity. What is cybersecurity? What are the problems we face in that and what are their solutions? I am going to tell you that in my video with my group fellows. In cybersecurity, the most important and the most dangerous thing is the dark web. What is dark web and how can we access it? Basically, dark web is not a simple browser or not a single internet that you can access it very easily. We require different platforms, different browsers for that. For example, we require Tor for it. Basically, in dark web, we face different crimes like we hire a hitman, we sell and buy the drugs, even crypto transactions, even you can access the credit card of anyone without knowing him. And secondly, the most important thing is that through dark web you can hire a hacker which can just go into your other person's mobile and he can erase or access all the data. So that's why the dark web is the most important and most difficult thing of the world.
So now I'm going to tell you about some real events happened related to dark web. First of all, in 2013 a data breach was happened, and in that data breach many things were stolen of the users. For example, their credit cards information were stolen and their money was also stolen. 2020 combinedly FBI and CIA made an operation and arrested 137 vendors and suppliers which were selling drugs and weapons on the dark web. So let me tell you some solutions to be safe from dark web. First of all, the solution is prevention is better than cure. So first of all, we should not access it. Secondly, we should not use unlicensed softwares. For example, all Pakistanis are using Windows 7 to 11, all are not licensed. So when they are using unlicensed Windows, that's why the pirated softwares and viruses plus malwares come in your mobile phones and in your laptops, due to which your mobiles and laptops get hacked. Another important step which we can do is we should avoid spam mails. What are spam mails? In spam mails there are links given, and especially Gmail considers them as spam and converts them in spam section. But we should be aware of those emails and we should not click the links given to us. They can be various links getting various surprises, but definitely we should not click them and we should not go for them, because at the end of the day they are spam mails and they link us to phishing mails, due to which our are stolen, our money is also stolen. Moreover, it can harm us in other ways as well. For example, they can access our gallery and they can access our videos and photos, which is again a very big problem for us.
Okay, so the first problem is that we used weak passwords. Let's say in 2019, about 700 millions of email accounts were hacked just because they were putting passwords like 1, 2, 3, 4 or a simple password as their name or something. Okay, imagine their accounts getting hacked just because of this.
The solution is use strong password, use capital letter, number and symbols, and use a password manager if you can, and never use same password everywhere. A strong password is like a steel door, it keeps hacker out. Enter email carefully. Official organization never ask for password or bank detail through link. If something feel urgent or carry, take pause and verify from the official website. The solution: always update your apps and devices. Those annoying updates are actually shield against known attack. One click can save you from disaster. Never use public Wi-Fi for sensitive work like banking or shopping. If you must use a VPN, it hide your information like an armored tunnel, even on unsafe network. Think before you post. Keep account private, avoid sharing your location or sensitive detail, and never upload documents online. Once something is on internet, it can stay there forever.
Another big danger is phishing. In 2020, during the pandemic, millions got fake emails pretending to be form of the World Health Organization. People click links and hackers stole credits, logins, even donations, even mean for COVID relief. People lost money when they thought they were helping. And then there are oversharings. In 2000, a famous case happened. Burglars used Facebook posts to track when families went on vacations. Houses were broken into because people announced, "We are off to Paris." Hackers and criminals love personal details. They used them for identify theft, fraud, and blackmails. Think before you post. Keep accounts private. Avoid sharing your location or sensitive details, and never upload documents online. Once something is on internet, it can stay here forever.